Hi, my name is Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to review a fundraising investor database case study, and this is in the tech sector for a USA client. Bit of information about myself. I'm a fundraising strategist with 15 years of experience in high-end real estate sales and marketing, spanning Canada, Dubai, and the Caribbean. Over the past 2 years on Fiverr, I've assisted over 200 clients with startup fundraising, pitch deck refinement, investor outreach strategies, and custom investor databases. In addition, I'm an advisor to a New York-based investment company affiliated with a $60 billion fund. The fund focuses on various sectors, particularly income-producing real estate, with capital requirements for projects typically ranging from $10 million to $20 million. These projects are selected based on their cash flow and growth potential. You can check my Fiverr profile below for more information on my services. This video highlights a comprehensive database of tech investors I recently created for a USA-based client. So what is this client looking for? This client is looking to raise $500,000, and just to keep it very generic, they are in the tech sector. Although they are based in the US, they're really looking for global opportunities. So the database sources that I used from my portfolio of investor lists are the venture capital list, family investment offices, and angel groups. The client would like to have around 1,000 to 1,500 contacts, and my focus was to look for tech, seed, and venture capital investors. So what does the final database include? So I was able to find 1,700 contacts in my database. This included 1,700 emails, LinkedIn addresses 1,300, and websites 1,700. And this is updated for 2024. I actually verified and cleaned all the emails just a couple days ago. So let's take a look at the database I have for him. So now we're over on the database part, and if you watch my previous videos, you know that I have around 400,000 contacts, multiple sectors. You just have to watch a few of my case studies or my focus on USA or Middle East lists or any other database videos. A lot of them are going to show you how I find these contacts. But in brief, I have been able to find 1,700 contacts for this client, again using the parameters that you saw earlier. It includes their email addresses, entity types, firm names, and this is a global list, so you're going to see it is many countries. Now what I have done is I do not have the Middle East in here because I have the Middle East on a separate premium database. So if you're looking for seed capital on the Middle East, and I've got lots of videos up you can take a look at, and you can contact me on Fiverr for that. I've got LinkedIn addresses for this is around 1,300, and some of them I have contacts for and some of them I do not, depending on what came up in the database. They all have websites, and most of them are going to have the sectors, as you can see, listed here. So basically what I did was anything that had tech got put into the database. Now the client needs to do more work on this, as they do for all the other databases. They've got to do a little more research and screening, trying to find out who they want to contact, but that's all part of fundraising. You're never going to get a database that is put in front of you that is absolutely perfect. You still have to do the hard work that comes with finding out the contacts. Now if you watch my previous videos, you see that for some of my lists, like my USA lists and my Middle East list, I've actually got the touch points and many contacts, not only at the senior level, intermediate, and some HR contacts. So it depends on what list I have and what you're looking for. Now if we come over here, you're going to say that this says email quality, good or risky. There are three types of email categories that happen when you clean an email with a verified company, and they're usually going to say it's good. Good also could mean valid. Valid just means that it is a database that is suitable. Risky just means that they're not quite sure if the contact name is still there, but it is still okay to send it to. So for this particular client, I've included both good and risky, although the majority of them are good. Now what this allows the client to do is, instead of just eliminating that contact company, they can go to the website and check and pick up extra names and contacts. So I find this is a really good strategy when you are getting a database, and you can see there they have been validated just on the 18th, which is a couple days ago. So this is going to be the perfect list for somebody who is looking to access tech investors, and you can see most of these are venture capital. You're going to see a few that are angel groups, some family offices as well. So this is an excellent database if you are looking in the tech sector and if your goal is to look on a global basis. My master database includes 400,000 verified global contacts. That includes angel investors, family investment offices, pension funds, hedge funds, private equity databases, REITs, Middle East premium high net worth and ultra high net worth investors database, venture capital lists and investment banks. I also have clients with pitch deck reviews and corporate fundraising presentations. If you're just getting ready to send your presentation out to an investor, send it to me. I have a service on Fiverr where I will review it for you. Approximately 80% of the presentations that I get sent are not suitable to be sent out to investors. For more information on my databases and fundraising services, click my Fiverr link below. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.